city, I seek the beach. I look at the sea, as wide as a country. Or I seek a quiet lake, or follow a slow river. I climb in the mountain and feel like an adventurer. Under the sky, under the sun, next to the moon, where the stars reside. The weather changes, rain, wind, or snow and ice. A new wind. In nature lives every animal, the barking dog, the purring cat without fuss, the galloping horse, the singing bird in the sky, the silent fish in the water without much noise. Under the sky, under the sun, next to the moon, where the stars reside. The weather changes, rain, wind, or snow and ice.